This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 11th of November. It's Veterans Day 2024. I'm Michael Groff, and it's a gorgeous day out there today, albeit a bit warm this afternoon. Temperatures a little above average, but not too bad. We'll see some high clouds at times, and then slightly cooler tomorrow. We'll warm it up for the rest of the week, and then some big changes look to be coming into the southwest this weekend. A trough comes into the region, and we do expect a chance of showers and much cooler temperatures across the area as well. Of course, the devil is in the details, and we'll talk about all of it as we dive on in and discuss. First, here's that almanac from yesterday. 85 degrees the afternoon high, but 52 the morning low. Good variation, good diurnal temperature range thanks to that very dry air we have. 79 and 56 are the averages for this time of year. Looking outside right now, here at 11:30 a.m., a few high clouds out there, 73 degrees at Sky Harbor. But yes, look at how dry it is. Dew points at 18, humidity 12%. It's a calm wind, and the barometer is falling. This is the upper level look across the country right now at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. And you can see we have generally a west-southwesterly flow here. And with high pressure around, that's going to result in temperatures remaining on the mild side for sure. And you can see on the infrared satellite view some high clouds streaming across southern and eastern Arizona in that southwesterly flow. But nothing of consequence with that. The watch warning map is pretty quiet across the country right now. Convective outlook for today. No organized severe weather anticipated. The tropics and the Atlantic Basin are quiet for the moment, although the Hurricane Center does have an area of interest out here in the Southwest Caribbean with the possibility of tropical cyclone development over the next 7 days. About a 40% chance we could see that. And, of course, if anything does develop, well, we're still in hurricane season, so naturally we'll keep an eye on it. But at this point, we're not too concerned, but some of our models do hint at a tropical cyclone, and that if it does develop down there, it would likely be pushed more toward the north and east, and we would have to worry about that maybe across the southern tip of Florida. But we'll see. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, not a lot, generally under 1/10 of an inch, with numbers increasing across southeast Arizona, but there is considerable uncertainty as we head into the weekend and early next week. We'll talk about that right now as we explore the models, see what the future may hold. Here we go, the GFS. It's the 12Z run. It's valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing coming toward the west coast of the U.S., southwesterly flows, so some high clouds in here today. What it means down at the surface for the rest of the day today, yeah, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. High temperatures, I'd say upper 70s to low 80s, 79 to 83 for the high today. And that's just ever so slightly above where we ought to be for this time of year. You do see some rain across central California, some snow for the higher elevations, and that extends up into the Pacific Northwest. For tonight, mostly clear to partly cloudy, overnight lows, mid-40s to low 50s. Tomorrow, more the same. Slightly cooler as that system passes by to the north, maybe some light breezes at times, but overall, just slight downtrend in temperatures with highs mid-70s. As we go to Wednesday, highs 76 to 80, the sky mostly sunny. Thursday, highs around 80, maybe low 80s. Sky mostly sunny. And pretty much the same story on Friday. Temperatures may back off a couple of degrees with high temperatures falling back maybe to the upper 70s, but overall, the sky is sunny to mostly sunny. The air mass remains dry, but we do have a trough that's really beginning to take shape off to the north and west of us, and we'll watch the evolution of this system in coming days. And then as we go to the weekend, clouds on the increase and a highly positively tilted trough, which may ultimately close off into an upper low. We'll have to see how this shapes up. But as it is, a fairly cold system is developing out here, and we'll introduce a slight chance of showers by Saturday afternoon here. The moisture advection in this configuration wouldn't be significant, but we would see at least some. So by Saturday night, there'd at least be a slight chance we could see some showers in here, and temperatures would be trending down further. Highs close to 70 on Saturday, and then on Sunday, this system comes through. Widely scattered to scattered showers better chances of rain and snow across eastern Arizona. And the GFS really isn't showing much on this run, but I would say there's at least a decent chance we could see something in here with this. But again, nothing overly substantial. But model spread is still kind of large out here. Some of our ensemble guidance indicates more significant precipitation. Nothing too as extreme, but some models do have us maybe picking up as much as a half an inch of rain out of this. I'm just not sure about that right now. But just know that the overall trend is down on temperatures and up on precipitation chances. We'll go with partly sunny sky, a 30% chance of rain in here on Sunday, and high temperatures likely in the mid-60s. So it'll be cool for sure. A week from today, Monday the 18th, and one area of low pressure is moving out. We've got a secondary little short wave coming in on the back side of this. So we will continue with cool and potentially unsettled weather, mainly for the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona. We might see a shower here, but otherwise just some clouds and temperatures remaining below average. But then as we go out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 20th, the GFS shows a really highly amplified weather pattern developing across much of North America. Look at that ridging. Look at those heights across Canada. Goodness. Almost a Rex block developing. And yes, the GFS does have a tropical cyclone impacting potentially South Florida out here by about the middle part of next week. And again, we'll watch that. It is still hurricane season. That's obviously possible, but it remains to be seen. I mean, this is out here in fantasy land. So at this point, nothing to get too worried about just yet. And then a ridge for us along the West Coast, if that's correct, we would be rather warm and dry. All right, rainfall for Phoenix off the GFS ensemble, not very encouraging here. The ensemble mean is under 1/10 of an inch, and most of the members show nothing at all. The European is slightly more bullish. Ensemble means up about 1/4 of an inch, so this is somewhat more encouraging, but even this isn't substantial. There's just, I would say of our models, there's probably about a 30 to 40% of them, of our guidance, shows decent chances of rain coming in by later this weekend or early next week. And then temperatures off the national blend of models, warm for this week. Overall, temperatures at or above average, but then trending way down for this weekend. And next week, we should see high temperatures below seasonal averages. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. If you really like what we do here, then click that thanks icon below the video here on YouTube, make those monetary contributions, or you can donate directly via PayPal. grofshow@gmail.com is that PayPal address. It's groffshow@gmail.com for PayPal. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona, talking about my Michelle. Check her out. Check out all of her videos, blogs, everything Michelle related. It is linked up, as always, down in the description. And something that is Michelle and Mike related, it's our streaming station, available 24/7, 365. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music and have a lot of fun with that. Again, linked up in the description, or you can go directly to KMGX.com. That's KMGX.com and listen to the most chaotic mix of music you'll ever hear. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. Please be safe, stay safe. I was going to say stay cool, stay hydrated, but you might as well do that. It's getting kind of warm again. Stay cool, stay hydrated. Have yourselves a beautiful rest of your Monday.